Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now, first of all, a couple of things. One, I feel like I look a little bit crazy and my eyes keep on like blurring because I've just tried a cleansing oil. So I feel like there's a little bit in my eyes and that's why they are quite red. And also, I have my dog just down below my desk, Rocky. He is a little bulldog cross pug, so he does snore. So if you hear snoring, that is him. So now we've got that out of the way, we are talking about this product here, which is the Omorovicza Ultramoor Mud Mask. Omorovicza is definitely a brand that I've only started to get to know within the past probably 2 years, maybe a bit less. And so far I've really enjoyed trying their products. Now, packaging, I love this. I think that they are like spot on with their packaging. This is so aesthetically pleasing to me. I just love everything about it. It's super heavy and just feels and looks like really good quality in my opinion. So this is a 50 ml bottle or container, and you can purchase this from Mecca and it is $143. So in my opinion, I do feel like it is, and actually all of their products, I feel that they are on the more expensive side. Now, just to give you some information about this, it's a flash mask to lift and clarify tired and dull skin. It says its anti-aging mask harnesses the power of Hungarian Moor mud, rich in calcium and magnesium, to draw out impurities. Plankton extracts, lifts and firms for a smoother complexion. So it has Hungarian Moor mud, and it has, oh my god, there is some big words, some marine something, which is the plankton. It has Herotite clay, and it has patent healing concentrate, which leaves skin firmer. Now it says apply to face and neck, avoiding the eye area, leave for 15 minutes depending on your skin sensitivity, and then to remove, just splash with warm water and wipe well with a damp face cloth. And that is it. So we are going to, oh my god, it smells super like eucalyptus-y. That's what it looks like. So it's like a grey, really thick mask consistency. If you haven't used one of these applicators before, you have to. It's such a game changer. Okay, so on closer inspection, it has like little black dots. So I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror. Oh, it's very intense. I actually feel like you don't need as much product as I assumed. Okay, so it's, yeah, super strong smelling. It's definitely getting in my eyes. But I really like it. Now, for reference as well, I would say, fairly normal skin. I need a different mirror. I can't find anything. I've just like moved my drawers around, so we won't worry about the mirror. I do get pimples every now and again, like as you can see here, but yeah, I would say fairly normal skin and dry in winter. Oh, I have to say, it's really like sort of burning my nose area where I have, if I do like a mask, like a, what's it called, like the Glam Glow mask, you know how it basically shows you where all the oil and dirt is? Everywhere will just dry nice, but my nose will be like that section. will be just really bad. Oh, yeah, it's like stinging almost. I'm not gonna do my neck, just my face. Okay, so I'm back. My camera battery died just before I was about to say I will check back in with you. So it's been just over 15 minutes. My face, like, oh my god, it goes so tight. So this is a close-up of what it looks like. So we're getting up close and personal. So as you can see, it is just drawing out all the impurities, which is a bit gross, but I also kind of love it. Like, look at that. So all the oils, all the stuff. As I said, I've got really bad like pore issues, so that's why there is so much that it's drawn out, like especially here. Look at that. It's quite amazing. So I love it. So all it says at the moment is you just use warm water to like splash it off. I don't have that, but I thought I'll just do a bit with a washcloth. So it comes off so weirdly easy. Wow, that's actually really impressive. Now my skin feels so hydrated. You know how some masks just pull all the oils and everything out? This is not that. I'm actually really like impressed with that. Would I recommend this? Yeah, I actually really like this. If I get any crazy reactions over the next day or so, I will definitely leave a comment down below and let you know. But this is maybe a new favorite mask. It's really good. So if you've tried this, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts on it, or let me know your favorite mask that like really takes out the impurities and like leaves your skin feeling quite hydrated as well. I don't want my skin to be super dry. But yeah, I'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again.